Hello students, in this tutorial we will go over how to create a Digication portfolio from a template in the lower level French courses. That's French 1010, 1020, 1050, and the 2000 levels. So first, log into your Canvas course that's using Digication. On the right hand side, you'll see your to-do list with the activity Create Your Portfolio. Select the Create Your Portfolio activity. This is where we will submit our link at the end of creating the portfolio, but here it will give us instructions. So we would like to select the Digication Kora link on the left-hand side. Depending on the placement of this link by your professor, it may appear anywhere along this left-hand side menu. Once you've selected the Digication Kora link on the left-hand side, you will get to this screen. At some point in this process, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. I'm not sure if that happens here or after we select Add Work. At any rate, whenever you select the terms and conditions, at the top of your browser, just simply navigate back to Canvas or to the Digication tab that's already been opened. From here, once we've accepted the terms and conditions, we will select the blue Add Work button. Once the next screen opens up, this is very important and an extremely important part of the portfolio creation process. We're about to create the portfolio from the template. This screen will look one of two ways. If you've never used Digication before, it will look like this, and you would select the Create New. If you've created portfolios before in a previous French course or in another course, you will have some thumbnails here. Every student must select the Create New at the bottom. If you do not select Create New at the bottom, you will have two portfolios merged together. So remember, this is important. Everyone select the blue rectangle that says Create New. Okay, so now it says assignment work pages added to Matthew Street test student from 25 Spanish Elementary French. So now I've successfully created the portfolio from the template that was provided from the professor. However, we have a couple of things to do still. This person icon in the top right with share is important. When it has a red dot, it tells us we have to do a couple of things. So a portfolio allows you to control your work over the semester. So in this way, we have to give permission to people to see and engage with our work. So we would select the share with the person icon, view recommended settings. Here, I'm going to retitle it so it's a little bit more efficient. I'm going to say Matt Street, test student. Okay, and then additional sharing recommendations. So we want to share it with the class. So here we will tap the share button and the course in which we're enrolled will appear here. If it doesn't, you can just start typing like 25 SP. But we would select 25 SP Elementary French for this tutorial because this is the class that I'm enrolled in. Unless you're in this section of French 1020, yours will be a little different. So now we are the owners of the portfolio. I'm the owner of this portfolio. The professor can see my work and comment on my work, but cannot edit my work. My fellow students can see my work and comment on my work, but they cannot edit my work. Perfect. So here we will select Save. Now, in Digication language, publish has a very specific meaning. Publishing your work makes it visible to your teacher and your other classmates. So, as a rule of thumb, I always recommend selecting Publish Pages. This will help us confirm that we did it correctly. You see all of the pages of our new portfolio that we've received from the template are in draft mode. We select Publish. Okay, and we notice the red dot has disappeared from the person icon, so we are finished here. The next step is to verify that we've done this correctly. So we can navigate back to Canvas and then select the Digication Kora link again, and here we will see our work, our portfolio in two places. One, the template, where the template was, it now displays my portfolio. And your portfolio will always be in the work shared in the course. Notice it's sorted by last updated, so it may not appear first here. It will always appear first here. So remember, the assignment stated that I needed to submit a link on Canvas to show that I've completed this portfolio. So I select my portfolio, and in the top, I copy the URL. I navigate back to the Canvas course, and I select and paste the link and submit assignment. And now I have just created a portfolio from a template. I've published it, shared it with the course, as well as submitted the URL. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.